much that you're no longer my wife. Not even my divorced wife. Go to Sydney in happiness. I set you free. Now I will tell you a lie.
Who said there was a shortage of sparrows?
You're no longer precious to me. You're no longer my chalice of memory.
No shortage in mine. Cool, eh?
You will never hurt me, Louise.
The captain of the Titanic's garden. Never seen so much wildlife.
I don't care. It's too much. It's too long. I'm Italian. I have to bring food.